Computer yan siguro. Ayan, sige. So, saan tayo mag-start? Di ko alam kung saan mag-start eh. So, sponsorship sa, um, meron akong naano kanina kasi nag-chat GPT ako kanina. Kaso masyadong complicated yung chat GPT na yun eh. Ano ba yung mga dapat ko sagutan, ano, Leslie, na tanong about sa sponsorships? Kapag sinasabihan kasi ako na komplikado siya, yung utak ko parang ano, parang sumasabog sa overwhelm. Wait lang. Naririnig ba ako? Okay.
Yes, yes, clear ka,
Ayun.
madam.
Wala pa si Leslie. Ay, hindi ko alam ayun, wait, lipat lang. Ah, okay, sige. Go, go, Leslie. Pero, ano ba yung ano natin? Ano ba yung gusto, parang ako dapat yung tinatanong ng gano'n, no? Ano ba yung gusto natin mangyari sa sponsorships? Eh, kanina kasi, nag-chat GPT ako, tapos, kasi magaling naman talaga si chat GPT, mga ano, ang tawag dyan, mga bullshit. Parang, alam mo yung parang ano, parang nadidelulu ka kapag siya yung sumasagot. Ano ba yun? Ito ba yun? Ay, hindi. Affiliate marketing yan.
Hello.
Yun. Hi.
Okay,
O, diba? Stuck na stuck sa ano sa sponsorship.
sige, game. Um,
Yeah.
for sponsorship, first things first, sino ba yung mga gusto mo kasama? Kasi 'di ba nga sabi ko sa si Lorus may different ano sila, meron silang naka-booth lang, merong sa kanilang sponsorship na for the rest, parang lahat ng MMI nandun sila. Tapos
Mm-mm.
parang magkano ba yung deal na yun? 1M yata yun if I'm not mistaken.
1M yung ano?
So, yun. Oo, 1M yung deal niya, pero lahat ng MMI, kasi si Lorus, yung MMI niya, before the ano, parang before the end of the year, nakaschedule na lahat ng events nila. Kasi syempre there's different, ano, 'di ba? Different
Mm-mm.
events that they have. So, nakaschedule na siya. So, yun.
Mm.
So, pag yung last sponsor nila na pinakamalaki nilang sponsor that nandun siya every time, yun, if I'm not mistaken, 1M nga yung ano niya, tapos tatlong MMI yun, di ba? So, lahat ng MMI nandun siya.
Ah, okay. Oh, actually, magandang ano
So,
na yun, magandang deal na yun. 1M, tatlong MM. Pero malaki din
mm.
kasi yung ano eh.
Pero
Malaki din kasi
kasi,
yung kay Loros.
remember, ang tao ni Lorus sa MMI ng 3 days, pinakamababa was 600. Pero
Mm-mm.
ang attendees noon, ang sign up noon is 1,000. Pero ang show up
Mm-mm.
rate is 600.
Mm.
So if we're looking at that, parang if we will be getting the same. Ang ano lang kay Loros is, compare dun sa atin, technically, mas paying, supposedly yung atin,
Mm-mm.
with what we're looking at. So it really
Yeah.
depends kung ano yung gusto nating i-perform. Halimbawa, um, si si Coach Days, they can sponsor. Kasi 'di ba
Oh, actually,
karamihan naman
naisip
ng
ko na
nasa
yun.
ano, 'di ba, nakapag-ano nasa community. Oo. So yan, si Coach
Mm-mm.
Days. One is you can have parang ano, we can ano na parang coach, sige, ano tayo, 50K for that. Pero you can bring two free. Ganun kasi yun eh, when sponsorships for events
Ah.
like that. Halimbawa, I'll give you a booth, then you can have two attendees, 2 to 3 attendees from your team.
Mm. Pwede actually. Oo. Naisip ko na
So
din na
parang ganun, we
yung
can
ano.
price at that.
Mm.
Or,
yung si VBI tsaka si POBM, ang dami kong mentees na pumapasok dun.
pero hindi
Sige, or,
sila pwedeng well,
mm.
pareho,
They're
kind
not
of similar
technically the
kasi yung offer
same.
nila.
Parang similar lang
Yes.
sila kasi OBM, pero actually, si VBI is much bigger, parang ganun.
Yes,
Mas
pero
mahal.
parang technically pareho lang yung, kumbaga
Oo.
the audience is the same.
Mm-mm.
Kasi
Mm-mm.
I've been part of the first run ng POBM eh. So I
Mm-mm.
know. Tapos nakausap ko na din naman yung ano ng VBI. Tsaka I
Mm-mm.
have friends na nasa BBI. Kinda the same pero hindi. Pero technically
Mm-mm.
yung path nila is yung specifications nila is more like OBM technically. OBM ang
Mm-mm.
inaano nila.
OBM.
Magkaiba lang siya. Magkaiba lang yung focus. Mas focus lang sa operation si
Mm-mm.
POBM. Si VBI mas ano yung ano niya. Kasi nga tatlo sila. So parang
Mm-mm.
technically they have a lot more to be able to
Mm-mm.
give out. So that's the difference. Pero
Mm-mm.
yeah, pwede namang pareho kasi technically, different, basta yun. Kung okay sa kanila. Kasi mamaya hindi okay sa kanila na magkasama sila.
Depende din yun
So
sa
yun,
offer
that's
kasi
why.
natin, 'di ba? Kung may exclusivity something.
Pero mas masaya siguro. Mas okay, well, for the start, siguro we can open to all.
Mm-mm.
But yung mga moving forward natin, kasi yung ano, yung exclusivity is something that we wanted to also parang, kasi I'm thinking na yung mga sponsors natin can be partners as well. That
Mm.
tipong, meron ding mga galing sa kanila
Mm.
na papunta sa atin. And it's the
Mm.
same route for them.
Mm.
So, yeah. Tayo kasi pwede natin sila parehong kunin. It depends na
Mhm.
lang kung ano. Pero ang
Oo.
tanong ko sa'yo, ano bang gusto mo nasa labas sila? 'Di ba
Oo, labas.
si Loros nasa labas sila, tapos may attend. Pero nasa labas sila all
Oo.
throughout.
Oo.
Okay.
Oo, gano'n, nasa labas. Kasi, ang pina-pattern ko is yung ano, yung MMI na, ah, parang almost, paano ba? Parang 'di ba parang hindi, kung nasa loob ka ng ano, ng venue, is parang hindi mo mararamdaman na may sponsorship na nangyayari. Pero paglabas mo may mga booth dun, yung gano'n. So,
True.
the reason is I don't want it to become a parang sponsorship event or something like that. Kasi nga it's our ano, it's our front end, parang pinaka-front end offer natin siya. So, we don't want it saturated with something else that will take away the, attention of the participant from the event itself. So yun. So yeah, sa
True.
labas, yun yung nasa isip ko.
Pero gusto ko yung idea ni RJ kahapon na ano, may pitch deck. Kasi kami,
Mm.
yung pitch deck kasi ginawa naman namin well, ano yun, hindi siya sponsorship, pero yun sa previous company namin. Investor invite, which is very effective naman siya. So, hindi ko lang siya alam paano gagawin sa sponsorship. Si RJ has an idea naman.
Ano lang madam, kailangan ko lang talaga yung parang, kasi ano tinulungan na rin ako ng AI na Claude na how to position yung messaging mo. Kailangan ko lang talaga yung mga details like, for example, kung magbibigay sila 50K, ano ba yung
Ano yung
babalik
kapalit?
na benefit,
Oo.
o
Mm. Yes. So, may nabasa ako. Sabi na kung exposure lang daw kasi ang ano ang kapalit na ibibigay mo, it's cheap. Um, Sponsors, parang premium na sponsors, they actually want the belief shift sa ano nila. Parang more on authority, ganun. Sustainable din na ano, na partnership. So, let me see. Oh, ano ba yun na part? brands that support sustainable. Ito. So sponsors must be framed as brands that support sustainable income, clarity, and stability for Filipino freelancers and entrepreneurs. Um, that means we anchor sponsorship not on exposure, logos, or shout outs, but on trust alignment, long-term association, and post-event conversion. So, which is, I don't know, sa akin kasi nagme-make sense siya. Uh, but since it's my first time ko ma-expose dito sa sponsorship na to. Wala pa akong idea kung, okay, saan tayo mag-start? Kung sa, actually may naisip nga, kasi nag-ano siya, recommend siya, si Paymongo daw, parang isa sa mga, parang ang ginawa niyang tiering kasi is yung isa, 300K na tier. Isa lang yan na sponsor. Tapos yung core sponsor, tatlo na tigo 100K, parang ganun. Tapos yung last na, yung pinakamababang tier naman is in-kind na sponsors na kung ano yung gusto nilang i-sponsor. So, yung doon sa pinaka premium na sponsor, ang mga na-recommend niya is mga example, GCash, PayMongo, Maya, mga ganun. Sabi ko, ang lalaki. So, kung mag-ano naman lang tayo, mag-approach tayo ng mga ganun. Parang yung nasa isip ko actually si MoneyPay. Kasi bago siya. Tapos, like Filipino talent, alam mo yun, it's very aligned with what we're trying to raise, di ba? Sabi ko, oh no, why not? Kung kaya naman natin i-approach si MoneyPay for like 300 to 500K sponsorship. Pero I think 500K is super laki na. 300K is good. Kung magpa 500K, probably will have to promise appearance on two of our para tawag nito, appearance nila on two of our tawag nito, events. If let's say we will be able to replicate this event within the year, 'di ba? So yun yung naisip ko. Nandun pa lang yung utak ko. Wala pa dun sa okay, ano na yung talagang magiging tiering natin. So yun.
Sige. Ano tayo, mag-set tayo ng goal for today para alam natin kung ano yung hihit natin. How
Sige.
much are we looking to get ba for sponsorship?
500K average. Yun yung iniisip ko.
So total ng 500K.
If we can hit 700K, that would be good. 500 to 700K.
Sige, 700K tayo.
Sige.
Tapos, yung ano natin, ang goal natin would be, sino yung isa?
MoneyPay?
MoneyPay, okay.
Oo.
MoneyPay. Sino pa yung isa? May yung sinadjust kahapon, di ba?
Paymongo? Ay, ano ba?
Hindi. Yung parang health,
Yung kay Via Health ba yun? Yung Jalen?
yung kay Jalen na binigay.
Ano coach, high tea health, pero
High tea.
hinanap ko siya, di ko na mahanap. Kasi ano siya, kumbaga parang partnership lang din siya nung current client ko. Tapos, nakikita ko siya sa ads. Hindi ko na siya mahanap ulit, pero try ko ulit hanapin.
Another one that we can get are insurance companies. Banks.
Oh, yeah. Yes.
RCBC.
Pwede.
Si RCBC kasi, the reason why I know about RCBC is because nag-ano sila sa amin sa booth namin. What they're trying to do is they're trying to parang yung online nila, they're trying to build it up. So that's a possibility.
Mhm.
Since technically, yun. If we're looking at that, so yan, si RCBC is another one. Let me just
RCBC
check
is
if I can get
Rizal ba yun? Or iba pa yun? Yung RCBC, yan ba yung Rizal?
Rizal Banking.
Okay, that's good. Pinoy na Pinoy.
Sino pa ba? Yeah, insurance companies are also one.
Insurance.
The other way that we can look into it is get sponsors that may want to get the genius ano sa kanila. So the reason why I am suggesting insurance companies are these companies are really into learning, into training, and if they will be there, kung head nila nandun, makikita nila how valuable the training is. It's possible kasi that we can get a corporate deal with them. So apart from them being our sponsors, pwede din natin silang maging client. So that's another thing. So we can get sponsorship for those na magbibigay sa atin ng cash as well as yung possible nating makuha yung services nila, or parang they can get our services in the future.
Yes, pwede. Especially yung mga sponsor, yung mga corporate trainings.
High level, sina Sisi ba? Baka we
Sisi?
can oo. Because high level is
naisip ko
doing
nga
a
din
lot
yan
of
eh.
oo.
Try kong i-approach si Ceci. Kasi nakita ko, isa kasi si Ceci sa mga nagpupush din ng Filipino talents for international
Yes.
recognition. So same yung goal.
Ang gusto ko kay Sisi kasi medyo malaki na yung ang bilis niya napalaki yung yung community niya. Plus they're earning talaga. Ayan. Sa tribe kasi, okay sana sa tribe, kaya lang medyo kailangan hindi masyadong high tier ang nang nasa tribe ngayon. Based on what I'm observing.
Oo.
As
Usually ang
compared to
tribe,
BPI tsaka POBM, medyo level 2 yung dalawa. Tsaka si CC compared to them.
pang kasi ang tribe, pang foundational lang talaga siya. More on foundational in terms of freelancing. So kung you're trying to start freelancing, tribe ka muna talaga. Unless na lang alam mo na kung ano yung skill na gusto mo tahakin, diretso ka na dun sa, example, mag-i-UI ka or ganon. Try ko nga si Coach Alan. Piling ko gusto ko si Coach Alan kasi nagtuturo din siya on, parang he teaches on monetizing
Yes. Si Coach Alan.
info products, yeah. Yan.
Sino
Ano
pa
yun,
ba?
sorry.
Si Catherine Mejia, PTT. I don't know if you remember her.
Yeah, I know
Sa
her.
kanya naman ang inaano niya is yung
Passion to profit.
parang ganun, pero more on siya eh. Parang
Digital
creating
products.
your own info products.
Yeah. Pwede natin
Sino pa
siya
isa? Si Catherine. Tapos yung printer for the workbook, I know yung printer ni MMI. Kilala ko kung sino siya. Si Kay Candido.
Okay.
Siya yung nag-print ng
kilala.
nila. So,
sige.
yeah,
Baka
I
pwede
can
natin siyang
tap into her for that.
That's good. Sige. Kasi feeling ko isa yan sa medyo, I don't know kung gaano siya kalaki yung gastos sa printing ng workbook. Depende din siguro sa kapal ng workbook at sa quality.
Pero kasi kung yung workbook mo hindi siya magbabago, usually kasi mas mura siya kapag bulk pinapagawa. I can haggle na kung ilan lang yung kailangan natin, yun lang yung kukunin natin, nakastock sa kanya yung iba. Kasi yun yung mahirap pag marami kang book, pag hindi siya na stock ng ayos, nasisira, nababasa and all. So yun, ang advantage if you know the one printing it, we can ask now, 300 lang yung kailangan namin ngayon. We leave the others from there. Kasi pwede namang natin is 1,000 na copies, pero ang gagamitin lang natin for the time being is 300 or 400. So yun. So that's one thing for that.
So parang partnered na
for the
partnered na siya na
kasi the
vendor.
other thing that we can do is we can have a mini magazine na lahat ng information it's a little booklet lang na lahat ng information ng ng sponsors mo andon. Parang it's we can call it a blue book, a black book or whatnot, na nandun lahat ng sponsors na parang if you need this, ito yung information. Because that's another sponsorship part na we can give them na parang, okay, sige. At least they have your information na, or things like that.
Mhm. Mhm.
Tapos, we can have them prepare a QR na hindi natin sila pagpe-presentin, pero during the breaks, the QR code of the business and their info, yung parang siguro that's what we can do. We can either one, kasi feeling ko marami may graphic artist naman sa atin, no? We can create
Mm.
a file for all the sponsors and get a QR code na parang every sponsors have their own QR code.
Mm.
That's a giveaway that parang it's a marketing material that they can use na in the future. So that's something that we can add as a part of the sponsorship. Parang we have a mini
Mhm.
book. It can either be a physical book or just a booklet na pwede nilang nasa ano na lang siya, nasa online. So really depends kung paano mo siya gustong i-tie up. But that's another thing that we can do. Or we can have, ano kasi ang ginagawa niya is magazine. Tapos, doon sa magazine, nakakuha ka ba ng Empower Magazine?
Mm.
Yun. Sa Empower Magazine, di ba, andun yung sponsors. Karamihan na nandun are sponsors. Tapos may articles lang nung speakers. So we can do that.
Oh.
Halimbawa, for the team, parang that's a free for all. Parang we give us a magazine. Pwede ka na naman kasing kumuha ng magazine sa Canva. Mabilis lang naman. So we can do that. And then every chieftain would be able to basically have their profile there. And then lahat ng sponsors mo nandun. So parang you have a magazine that you can provide that one gets parang builds up the authority of the sponsors as well as the team. At least your chieftains.
Mm.
Para if in
Mm.
case, di ba nga sabi natin, what can you get from this? So
Mm.
that's a good way of something that we can get for the chieftains na parang, okay, our chieftains, ito yung ginagawa nila, profile nila, parang yellow page. Pero ang nandun lang instead of businesses are people and businesses that they represent. So parang ganon. So that's something that we
Pwede.
can parang build up on. We can either do it as a physical one or online. Pero parang mas
Pwede.
masaya yung physical pag first. Kasi kung
Mm.
makakakuha naman tayo ng sponsorship, magkano lang naman ang magpaprint, hanap na lang tayo ng printer na mas mura. I'll
Mm.
check kung sino yung ano. Kasi sa amin, kasi part din ako ng Rotary. Yung team naman namin ang nagpapaprint ng magazine for Rotary for Pasay naman. So I'll check with our team kung saan nila pinaprint yan. Baka makakuha din ng mas magandang deal. So yun.
Mm.
For printing, marami namang option.
Yeah.
Ang
Bali,
ano ko lang is better
napansin
na
ko
kakilala para at least yung
Di ba may meron tayong classmate sa QL na si Dennis, yung yung dikit ng dikit sa akin nung GBI. Printing yun sila. Pero hindi ko alam kung ano yung I'm not sure kung
hindi pa ako
TARP lang ba
nag-GBI.
piniprint.
So,
Ay, hindi ba yung GBI? Kala ko ka na.
wala pa. Hindi pa ako nag-GBI.
Pero
Nakuha na
nandun din siya sa
before.
TTT.
Di ba Sige. Carry lang. Pag natin, i-check natin. Mag-call tayo sa
Check lang
TTT na
naman.
parang, ito na yung namin. So, we needed possible suppliers for these kinds of things. Pwede din tayong kumuha ng sponsor sa TTT. One I know is for crypto. Nakasama ko naman siya sa Wizard din. May office siya actually sa Mandaluyong area na he's having it free for use. So, I think he can also be a sponsor. So, we can actually get that in place para at least we can tap those people that we know are good people per se. That has good network as well.
Yeah. Dun pala sa magandang idea yung magazine actually. Napansin ko nung MMI, 'di ba yung binibigyan ng magazine is yung mga nagpa-enroll sa Quantum Leap. So, I think we can also like do that na kung sino yung magpapa-enroll dun sa bundle, sila yung may free na magazine. I'm not sure though kasi ang nasa isip ko,
Pero
like,
before, ay,
go.
sige. Yung magazine na yon, those are magazine na matagal nang na-print. That's what I'm mean.
Ah,
Pero yung magazine na yun, previously, I think that's 2018, 2019. Lahat ng enrollees ng MMI has that. So parang
oh,
ito, pinapaubos na lang. Pero parang premium lang yung magazine. Kasi nga hindi na siya i-reprint eh. So parang premium lang siya. Ngayon binibigay siya sa mga nag-enroll. Pero for us, since it's our first run and also for the benefit of the sponsors din na nandun, let's give it to all.
okay.
For the
Okay.
first run. Pag ano naman,
Okay.
pwede namang, kasi ang ano ko is, baka kasi baguhin natin next time. So, 'di ba?
Mm-mm.
Yung magazine kasi pwedeng may version 2, version 3 eh. Yung workbook natin, most probably, it would be better if we can have one. One lang at least for the first 3 runs. Or
Mhm.
standard na talaga siya. Kasi yung workbook ni MMI, standard na talaga siya eh. So, hindi na siya
Mm-mm.
pinapalitan. Kung ano yung itsura niya ngayon, kung ano yung itsura niya noon, yun pa rin siya hanggang ngayon.
Ayan.
Walang nabago. Kasi parang, I have 4 versions, pare-pareho lang siya. Nagkakaiba lang yung sa Violet kasi may in-update dun. Pero all other else, it's the same thing. May it be the
Okay.
online one or the physical one. So yung sa workbook, yun yung kailangang maayos natin siya na talagang pwede na siya for life.
Yeah.
As is, na kung may
Kailangan ko talagang
papaguhin man.
tutukan yun.
Yes.
Kailangan ko talagang
technically,
tutukan
yun
yun.
yung babalikan at babalikan nila eh.
Oo.
Everything else naman pwedeng mabago. Pero yung, di ba, yun nga yung sabi ni
Yeah.
Paul.
Core
Your
content lang
standards are
naman yun.
standards na.
Oo.
Yes.
Yes.
Yun.
Okay. Yeah,
Ayan,
walang problema
yun,
dun sa sa
sponsorship. So,
workbook.
yun yung mga bagay sa Tapos, for sponsorship, as much as possible, siguro, I would suggest na maging clear tayo kung ano yung bibigay natin sa kanila. If we're tiering it as A, B, and C, ano yung lahat sila meron, ano yung meron lang sa A, ano lang yung meron sa B.
Mm.
So, for example, if we're asking for, ngayon, I would suggest to have a minimum of 60, maximum of 200, para hindi natin i-push yung sarili natin dun sa ibibigay din sa kanila. Kasi if we're pushing someone na 500K, ano yung kailangan nating maibigay sa kanya? Kasi pag sinabi mong, sabihin natin 60 to 200, dun sa about 60, tapos ang susunod 120, tapos 200. So, bongga, yung pinaka-bongga is yung 200. So, sa lahat ng 60, nasa magazine sila. Tapos, yung 60 has 2 people na pwedeng pumasok. Yung 120 has 3. Yung 200 can give 5. Or sabihin natin 2, 4, tsaka 6 ang pwede nilang papasukin. Tapos, yung 200 mo would have, say, a 5-minute presentation. Tapos, they need to give you a visual, parang a 30-second there or a 1-minute video na pwede nating i-plug during during the breaks or before mag-start. Yung ganon. Tapos, yung 60, nasa magazine siya, may 2-person siya, tapos booth. Kung gusto mo, may booth silang lahat sa labas. So, yan. So, that's for 2 days na. So, parang ganun. Parang 30,000 per day. So, hindi tayo masyadong mauobligang magbigay ng marami sa kanila.
Yeah.
So, technically, lahat sila may booth. May person
Okay.
na ibibigay na allowed pumasok for trainings. Tapos, nasa magazine sila. May it be physical or whatnot. Nasa magazine sila. Tapos, nasa likod sila ng handout. Kumbaga yung brand nila and the details are at the back of the handout. Which is,
Okay.
kung 1,000 yun, 1,000 handouts, 1,000 people is what we're looking at. So, that's one thing. Tapos, ayun. Ayan. Dapat payment first before ano. So imagine if we'll be able to get, say, if we're looking for 700, kailangan lang natin ng apat na 200, okay na tayo. Or we can get more people. So if we're getting, halimbawa kung 60, that's 6 times divided by, dapat 10. So ayaw naman natin nun.
Mm.
Kasi
Masyadong madami.
pagod. Masyado madami. So if we're trying to get 700K, I think we can get dalawang 200K, apat na 120, tapos dalawang 60. Nasa 700 na yun. Actually nasa 800 na yun. And the
Mm.
thing is, that's a 2-day program. So, ayun. Jalin, may idea ka ba? Parang ano?
Yeah, I think doon tayo sa doon tayo sa tiering. I mean sa benefits na makukuha nila per tier.
Let's not make it complicated naman. Medyo ano. I think si RG can improve on what we have, right? Yung mga suggestions na binigay ko. But these are just suggestions kasi ito yung alam ko na ginagawa ng iba. And alam ko na similar. Not the price. Kasi for sure, iba yung kanila. But yun, yung inclusions are like that. Tapos, they can have, for example, we can also get from them items. Halimbawa, for the 200K, okay, we have a loot bag for our VIP. You can give sample products for your products. That's apart from the ano nila. Kasi remember si MMI, 'di ba, yung VIP natin, may bag, may t-shirt may t-shirt ng Pantabulos. Tapos may mga ano pa. And we can always have naalala mo yung ginagawa nila na magpapasign sila sa lahat ng nasa booth?
Oo. Yung parang bingo
Yeah,
card.
that's one of the things that we can give. Tapos yun, yung bingo card kasi they can have that. Na parang, for example, sige, if you have everything there, halimbawa, si RJ you can raffle out your book kasi you have a book. Or kung sino man yung meron sa natin, sa team natin na product na gustong ipatry or patest, that's actually one thing that we can also give. Na parang, okay, sige, basta na kaano kayo, bubuno tayo kung sino yung parang every break we can have that. Para hindi lang siya, hindi lang learning lahat, meron pa ring fun and everything. Plus, ayun, that's another way of, yun nga, building up the team itself. Parang ako, I can give out trainings because I do trainings naman. Parang ganun. So, things like that. Some of the things that we can give.
Yes, pwede. Yan, naisip ko to kagabi. Itong bingo card.
Passport ang tawag namin sa kanila. It's a passport kasi you need to pass for everyone. And that's your way to win.
Yung passport na masyadong pangkansada yung bingo card.
True.
Ay, wait lang. Ano ba yung naisip ko? Booth, tapos puro logo lang kasi to. Special mention. Yung dun sa dun sa 200K na, sige, dun tayo sa tiering, like, yung 200K na tier. Kasi lahat sila, di ba? Gusto natin na okay, may booth, okay ako doon. May attendees sila. May participants sila sa seminar. Tapos, they will be in the magazine. They'll be at the back of the ano tong handout na to. But anyway, kung may handout,
So,
okay, nasa back of
halimbawa
the
yung
handout sila.
60. Okay. So, dun sa 60, ano lang siya, half. Dun sa 120, full page. Dun sa 200, pero nasa likod lang siya. Or pwede namang lahat, hindi kasi natin, yun, hindi sa magazine pala yun. Pwede kasi yung logo nila nasa handout. Pero syempre, mas malaki yung logo mas malaki yung binayad. Parang ganun.
Mhm.
So, kung 60 ka, logo mo lang yun nandun. Kung 120 ka, logo mo, tsaka information. Kung 200 ka, logo, information, tapos yung main offer ng business mo.
Oh, okay. That's good.
Remember, di ba pag standard sponsors,
Oo.
golden, yung
Mm-mm.
platinum status, iba-iba din yung itsura nila. So
Mm-mm.
parang magkakasama yung sa isang page yung puro 60 lang, magkakasama yung 120, tapos tagi-isang page si 100. Parang ganun.
Mhm. Okay. Kaya kasi hindi naman tayo, ay, ano ba yung sinabi mo kanina na may, ano sila, may segment or
Option
whatever?
nila yun to give out something that they can give sa natin. Parang we can tell them na, yung VIP namin, we have loot bags. Do you have items that you'd like to add sa loot bag para automatic kasama siya? Things like that.
Oo. Mm-mm.
Na sa kanila pa rin manggagaling bukod sa
Mm-mm.
binayaran nila. So,
Okay.
siya, halimbawa, for example, they wanted to add gift cards or vouchers. Yan, sa kanila na
Mhm.
yun.
Okay. So, dun sa 200K, I think, eto yung meron silang video na pwede nating i-play during breaks
Yeah, pwede yun.
sa stage. Kasi yun yung
Mm.
maximum visibility for them.
So, 60, present lang ang logo. Si 120, logo tsaka information. Si 200, ay, yun, we can promise to play their video na thrice. Parang every break, their logos, depende kung anong tier nila. Pero ang meron lang na may video, 1 minute or 30 seconds, and kung
Oo.
ano yung meron sila.
Mm-mm.
Pero maximum is natin na 1.5, 1.3. So, yun.
Mm-mm. Okay. How about yung may nabasa kasi ako about sa like, may mention ba sila sa mga emails? O sa emails? May visibility ba sila sa sales page? Social media? Sa social media marketing natin. RJ Jalen, baka may mga idea kayo. Pasensya na kayo yung utak ko yun fried talaga dahil sa ko. Actually, meron pa akong konting lagnat. Iba nga pag-isip na maayos.
Coach, tiningnan ko din before kung paano ni-launch ni Gwen yung event niya, yung Filipino
Oh,
Women. So, ang ginawa niya doon, meron silang sponsorship din. Tsaka, ang nangyari kasi, community talaga siya. So, yung MMI community, yung FWIB community din siya kasi andun na yung word na Filipino Women in Business. So, ang ginawa lang ni Gwen, nag-post lang siya sa thread. Sa thread lang siya nagsabi na looking for sponsors, ganito, ganyan. Tapos, nag-message na sa kanya. Kasi, ang nangyari doon, ito daw ayun yung first ever na nagkaroon ng community na Filipino Women in Business talaga. So, yung event, umiikot talaga siya sa community building. Like, ano yung direction, ano yung community na binibuild, ganun. Tapos, pagdating sa sponsor, ayun, nag-post lang siya doon, tapos may mga nag-message na sa kanya. Tapos, tawag dito, ayun, may pinost din kung sino yung bronze, yung silver, yung gold. or yung platinum na na mga tawag dun, na mga sponsors. Kumbaga para kasing yung sa visibility niya, doon pinapakita na, ay, andito si ganito, ganyan.
Mm.
Tapos, andun din yung yung information din na kung ano yung ginagawa nila, ganyan, logo. Tapos kung ano sila, nasa caption lang. Tapos yung logo, tsaka lang, kung ano yung year ng sponsorship nila.
Sa social media yan.
Opo, sa social media.
Ah,
Kasi
wala
merong
namang problema yung
page.
social media.
Mhm.
Yeah. Walang problema sa social media eh. Pwede mo naman bigyan ng visibility yung sponsors mo. Baka mas marami yung visibility ng sponsors natin kaysa sa atin. So, dahil hindi pa ganun ka laki yung visibility natin. Hindi social media visibility or brand awareness ang pwede nating i-promise sa kanila sa social media. Is really more on the trust of our participants sa brand nila. So more on ganun yung naiisip ko na pwede nating parang I'm thinking as putting on the hat of a sponsor. Nag-iisip ako, if I will be a sponsor for this event na 300 people lang, tapos hindi pa nagkaroon ng event before, why would I want to be a sponsor of this event? What would make me say yes as a sponsor? Of course, kung mag-sponsor ako ng 200K dito, paano ko masasabi na worth it yung 200K na yun? Which is, most probably, I can only say na worth it yun kung yung visibility ko doon sa butts in seats, 'di ba? Nung nasa event mo is nag-create ng trust sa brand ko, which converted into sales later on. So yun yung iniisip ko na how can we, especially sa pag-approach natin sa sponsors, how can we let them see that is that is what we are offering, not social media followers or what, kasi wala tayong ganun pa. So doon tayo sa parang in the flesh na tong mga tao na to. So if you will be one of our sponsors, you will be a trusted brand by these people because these people trust us with their life path.
Mm. Medyo
Go,
madam.
RJ.
Na-challenge lang ako kasi B2B siyang approach eh. Yung mga past experience ko kasi talaga, yung kumbaga one-on-one na parang could you help me for this, ganun. Parang ngayon, ang iniisip ko, how could we have that solid messaging na kasi ang parang naiisip ko is talagang i-position yung the only science-based na and kumbaga nasa initial stage ka kasi before you getting big in the Philippines. So parang ang gandang positioning for them na parang you're one of the first believer of this science-based na approach na hindi siya yung subjective na personality test. Yun yung parang ang ko kasi nagiging friction ko on my part yung B2B na kasi parang kakausap ka ng brands eh. Kakausap tayo ng mga sponsors. Sabi nga ni Leslie, mga insurance companies, for example. So parang how do we position ourselves na, okay, this is your brand, this is their brand. And isa pang advantage mo is super filtered yung mga pupunta dito. Like, they're not the people who just shop around as a course order. So, kumbaga, more than the trust, these are the people na talagang alam mong they put their money where they really want. Oo, hindi
Mm-mm.
for clout, hindi for getting close to, tawag dito, to yung mga sikat na tao, tapos
Mm-mm.
tas bababa lang yung hype after the event. So yun din yung parang isa ko naiisip. Ano lang talaga, madam, I need help lang na paano kaya to? Kasi B2B eh. Hindi
Oo.
ako masyado maano pa sa B2B, but yung sa The Only Science Base, yung AI na si Claude, yung nagbigay sa akin ng idea na, oo nga no, The Only Science Base na isipin mo, nalaman mo na yung natural genius mo, mamamonetize mo pa. So
Mm.
siguro parang babalik din tayo sa these are the problems, then these are your USP.
Mm-mm.
And they're one of the first believers talaga who would be part of this big movement. So parang join now before
Mm-mm.
pa ikaw lumaki. Parang ganun. We need
Mhm.
to make it very promising sa ganong premise.
Mhm. Yeah, actually magandang ano yan, magandang angle yan. And I think another angle that we can, hindi another angle, but an additional to that one. Gusto ko na yan eh. Pwede nating i-add dyan yung, these people, parang, when you are talking to sponsors kasi, mas concern talaga nila yung, ano yung balik nitong sponsorship na to. Kumbaga, why is it worth, not necessary, kumbaga, yes, part doon yung, okay, ano yung ginagawa ninyo, pero actually, ang number one talaga na hinahanap nila dyan is yung alignment sa market. Like, okay, yung market mo, market ko din ba? 'Di ba? So, because if hindi naman aligned yung market and hindi siya magiging sustainable yung result for us, I don't know why I should be sponsoring you. I think it's more, instead of trying to think of okay, we should be convincing them to sponsor us. It's really more on positioning ourselves na this is a curated group of people in the room na you will be having access to. So more on ganun siya, hindi yung tipong we're not just giving you leads. We're giving you access to possible people that you can retain, customers that you can retain because these are people na retention worthy. Parang ganun yung ano. So, leads are still subject to whether magko-convert ba sila o hindi. Pero positioning people into retention people, that's something else. That's repeat business. So, yun yung nakikita ko na one of the position that we can do. Actually, yung proposal na pwede kasi nating gawin dito is same sa ginagawa natin na proposal sa tribe. So, you just, iaano mo lang siya, i-customize mo lang siya into, eto, sponsorship yung ano natin, yung goal natin dito.
Pwede pa niya akong access nun, madam. I-play
Yung ano,
around. Oo, yung sabi mong document na yun. Oo. Play around ko
mm-mm,
siya. Parang may nag-spark lang na, sige, tingnan natin paano yung flow. Mm.
mm-mm.
Ano
Yeah,
sa akin,
kasi,
coach?
go.
Super agree ako dun sa sinabi ni Ate RJ. Kasi yung positioning, kumbaga nung ano kasi, yung positioning ng event, yung parang number one, the only or first ever nervous system something something na ganun. Kasi hindi siya ano eh, kung yung super genius kasi na kumbaga kapag cold yung ita-target, super vague niya. Kasi kapag sinabing super genius, alam ko naman na may Clifton naman na ako. Alam ko naman na meron naman na akong human design, may Clifton ako. Kumbaga, ang target talaga natin yung mga ano eh, yung mga into personal development na. Yung mga, kumbaga magiging sponsor natin na naisip ko din is yung into nervous system din sila. Kasi yung isa sa speaker ng Filipino Women and Business, ano siya, nervous system coach siya in a way na ang offer niya is retreat. Tapos yung retreat na yon ang gagawin lang dun is papasigawin ka. So, kumbaga dun mo ilalabas yung past traumas mo, dun mo which is connected din siya sa in-offer mo. Kasi, di ba, nag-VIP ako, coach, tapos ang lumabas na po ng mga past traumas siya. So, ayun, pwede siyang magkaroon ng sponsor din na system, nervous system. Tapos ito, kaya ko naisip din yung Happy Health. Kasi ano pa lang siya, hindi ko alam kasi kung ano pa yung magiging ganap ng event. Pero yung knowing your overall, nakikita ko kasi siya na, talaga, biological or science-based. Hindi ko alam kung ikakwento mo yung decode sa kaya, kasi kung super genius lang talaga, parang mapapasadahan pa din yung decode na saan galing yung super, kumbaga dun mo siya i-explain in terms of biological nervous system. Or like, doon siya, sa lifestyle ng natural design, doon siya. Kumbaga parang magdo-double down pa talaga doon sa pinaka-clear na positioning. Na ang tina-target natin is yung nandun na sa nagki-Clifton Strength, doon na sa nag-human design, doon na sa... Kasi may market din yung mga into nervous system talaga eh.
Mm.
May mga kumbaga kung magiging positioning is yung nervous system or the way kung feel safe ka ba, ganito, ganyan. Anong reason ba paano ka mafe-feel safe in a way na hindi lang siya woo na hindi lang siya, kasi 'pag sinabi nating nervous system kumbaga parang natural wiring lang, parang gano'n, gano'n. Pero paano siya biologically made-decode? Yung something na yung positioning ng gano'ng angle kung ilalagay sa sales page na paano nga ba? Kasi sa event dun siya masasagot, yung circle-circle.
Mm.
Parang ano nga madam, yung sabi ni Jolly, naisip ko kasi pwedeng sa deck na dun yung intriguing factor na ito talaga yung USP mo kasi that USP had already proofs to support. Kasi ang dami mo na natulungan eh. Yung iba kasi nag-USP sila na testing the waters pa lang eh. Eh ikaw kumbaga, eto na, may mga proof of evidences. So, kumbaga, mas malakas yung loob natin to back out, back it up pa, lalo yung
Mm.
position na yun. Mm.
Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, pwede yun. Bali, ang natin, as long as meron na tayong, kasi pag mag-approach tayo ng mga sponsors na gusto natin, dapat ready na din yung yung tiers. 'Di ba?
Saka
Ano
yung
ba
deck.
yung,
Mm-mm.
oo.
Kasi madam, yung deck na yun, it can act out as one. Pwede siyang sa email. Like, halimbawa, magtatanong sila, sige, send over the deck, ganyan. And pwede rin, kasi some sponsors, they tend to ask you na parang kaya ba kahit 15-minute na online presentation. So at least, yun na rin yung deck na magagamit. Oo.
Mm,
Parang dual purpose na siya din.
okay.
Coach, gusto mo bang naisip ko lang 'to, kasi yung sa sales page ng MMI, meron na dong teaser nung araw
Mm.
dito. So, naisip ko, um, yung circle-circle gawin din ba siyang teaser sa sales page? Or gawin din siyang teaser doon sa magiging magiging deck para sa sponsor. Kasi yung circle-circle doon papasok na paano. Parang lang, random lang.
Pinag-iisipan ko pa nga kung paano yung teaser na yun. The thing is, I don't want to put out kasi sa sales page, actually binigyan ko na sila ng, parang, tinis ko na din doon yung success matrix. Pero yung circle kasi nahihirapan akong gawa ng teaser yun. As much as possible, I don't want to put out the image nung para, alam mo yun, doon lang talaga nila makita sa sa event. Just, I think it's fine for now. We can naman eh. Okay na, saka na natin pag-isipan yung user page ko. Paano yun? I think inaano ko lang ngayon, concern ko lang ngayon is, again, for example, if I am a sponsor and I'm looking at that three choices, kung magto 200K ba ako, 120K at 60K, okay lang eh. Okay, magbo-booth tayo, tapos may attendee tayo, nasa magazine tayo. I think that's worth it. 'Di ba? Tapos may ano naman, may logo placement din naman sa ano sa harap. Tapos may booth, 'yun. Yung 120K at saka 200K, yung iniisip ko na what would make it worth it for them. Kasi parang para sa akin, I don't know, ako lang siguro. Okay, may example sa 200K. Okay, may video tayo na ipi-play during breaks. But that's during breaks. Parang ano pa yung iba na makukuha ako dito to make it worth it, yung 200K na ibibigay ko. So, parang nakukulangan pa ako sa benefits. Eh, hindi ko alam eh. Wala pa akong alam sa ibang benefits na pwede natin ibigay. Like, I have no idea right now. Yun na lang. And then, ifa-finalize ko na lang itong tiering para magawa natin
Siguro
ng
yung yung sa 200K, anuhin mo yung at 3 sa kanila yung i-allow mo sa Genius Generation.
Ano yun?
Yung, di ba attend sila.
Mm-mm.
Si 200K, you can give at least 1 or 2 siguro, max ng 3 na mag-enter sa pangalawang
Sa Super Genius, coach.
sa
Super Genius
enrollment na
mismo?
talaga.
Ah.
Oo.
So parang parang automatic enrolled sila doon sa main product.
Yes. For the 200K, yes. Tapos parang if, halimbawa gusto nila lahat ng team nila, parang we have 10. Then we can, we can work now. 200 yung mo will give you a 20% discount pag nasa group. Or you'll give them a special rate for group. Kasi nga, di ba
Pwede.
yung natin, our sponsors would be our partners. So,
Yeah.
and our clients as well. So, yun yung
Yes.
for value. Then yun, we can give maximum of 3 sa kanila, which is covered naman siya dun sa 200.
Close. Open. Close.
And ang additional,
SGA.
nun is lahat ng mag-enroll, di ba, they have a group na kanila mismo. So, that's another give sa kanila na since we're giving to access dun sa Genius, natin, for Genius natin, then you'll be part of an exclusive group. That's an additional marketing path for them. Siyempre, makikilala na nila. Kumbaga, hindi siya one time. Naging continue siya because you have that spiff na you get 2 tickets for the program. Which I think covered naman. Magkano ba yung program? Yung natin?
Yan yung iniisip ko, yung sa pricing ko ng ng SGA. I was
Oo.
Tragis-asan ko na naman nilagay yun. Ang iniisip ko is, yung SGA, ilalagay ko siya sa, parang yung regular price na niya. Discounted price niya is 170K. 3 days na SGA. Tapos, there will be like the flow clock. Yung flow clock is supposed to be, kung standalone nila kukunin, like, flow clock lang yun eh. So, I was planning, I'll just give it at 50K. So, it's very affordable. Or I think 30K, ganun. Discounted price 30K kung yun lang. Pero kung kukunin nila yung Super Genius, I mean yung bundle, free na yung flow clock na yun. Yun yung iniisip ko. Tapos yung third na product is supposed to be Align Connections. So that one naman is parang retreat style siya. But also with a 1 year siya. May 1 year siya na na parang membership into a more exclusive na group wherein basta inaano ko pa siya, develop ko pa yung setup niya. So parang more on, this is where you discover lifelong relationships that are really, really trustworthy because you have been through it together. sa retreat mismo. And not just the partnerships, but also in your personal relationships. Kasi nga, aligned connections nga eh. So, any type of connection yun. Yung aligned connections, iniisip ko, it will be at 270K ata yun ko nun eh. Na discounted price na. Pero kung iba-bundle natin, I've been thinking of giving everything for like, kano ba yun? I'm not sure kung 210 or 280. Mga nasa ganun, kung bundle. Hindi pa yun final, yung mga prices. Boring ako. Saka pa ako makukonvince sa pricing ko pag nabuo ko na yung curriculum ng mga yun. I mean, alam ko na kung ano yung benefit na makukuha nila.
Reminder lang dun sa workbook mo, Chris, kailangan matapos mo siya for, sige, third week ng January. Kasi kung mag-aano tayo ng third week ng March, syempre pag nagpa-print ka, print test pa yan and everything. So, yung workbook natin, we need to ensure na ready siya at least 2 weeks before the event.
At
And
least
syempre,
2
pag
weeks the event.
mas matagal, mas mura siya. Kasi kung mga 1 month before ano yan, mahal na yan kasi mag-rush na siya. So, yung workbook natin o yung info sa workbook mo should be done at least second or sige, gawin natin last week na ng January para maano na natin siya. Pero I'll ask a quotation na.
Okay.
I just need to know how many pages yung ano mo, tsaka anong klaseng similar ba kalaki ng workbook ni MMI or do you want it na parang notebook lang? Para I
Yung
can
same
ask
sa
for a
ano sa
quote na.
MMI.
Kasi yun yung isa sa mga ano natin. Same sa MMI.
Oo. Yung size ng ano, ng papel.
Kanila o kanila. Kanila o. Ano opinion ng isa?
Yeah, so kung kung sa 200K may automatic tayo na SGA enrollment. Isa lang yung pwede natin ipasok dyan.
So, ang ibigay mo lang would be kung ano lang yung kaya natin. Hindi natin kailangan ibigay sa kanya yung pinakamaganda. So, parang kung SGA ang ibibigay mo, mas mahal pa yung SGA natin yata sa ano niya.
Oo.
Kung isa lang, parang bigyan mo lang siya ng yung second step lang. Kasi kung gusto naman niya mag third step, fourth step, nasa kanya na yon. Pero ang ano may bibigyan natin sa kanya is yung sa next level lang.
Oo. Yeah, ito na yung ano, SGA lang. Parang that's the main product actually. Yung ano, yung hindi naman kasi maibibigay, parang yung flow clock kasi is ano personal na personal yun. So, sino bibigyan natin ng flow clock sa company nila? Yeah.
Or kung hindi man yung ano mismo, consultation, parang we can do this for your team.
Or team
Kung
training.
flow clock lang yan or yun, training. Parang corporate training na kanila. Kumbaga, we'll give a separate training for you. Not necessarily na ikaw. Kung merong training na pwedeng, parang we can list different trainings na pwedeng nilang may ano. So, your chieftains are there. Kung ano yung pwedeng i-ano ng training, papiliin mo sila kung ano yung kailangan nila sa team nila. So, kung halimbawa, corporations ang kailangan nila, we can have Rain. Si RJ, parang ganon. Parang we can take it as yung sponsorship would be also our way. Ito yung inisip ko. The sponsorship would be our way to test kung ano yung meron tayo. Para hindi ikaw lahat yung nagbibigay. And the other thing is kasi for the chieftains, what I'm thinking is, we really need to parang show up. We really need to build our authority para the next time that we'll be running this, the next time that we'll be getting sponsors, it's easier for us to offer the sponsorship kasi on the first sponsorship, ito yung binigay namin, ito yung ginawa namin. And also para
Mm.
ma-develop din tayo personally
Yeah.
on and ma-train kung ano yung ano natin. Kasi we each of us have expertise that we can share. Diba?
Oo. Yeah.
Why not do that? Parang apart from being able to test kung ano man yung meron tayo. And also, kasi sa akin, for me kasi, it's easy for me to say na parang, if someone would ask me, kaya mo bang mag-train? I can easily say yes because I have been able to train before. And madali kasi mag-build. Iba kasi yung trust na nabibuild pag nag-train ng other people or ng other corporation. Iba yung iba rin yung tingin sa'yo. So, yun yung isa sa pinakamabilis makapagpataas ng confidence.
Mm.
And parang check for your competence.
Mm-mm.
And since we're doing this naman, we're basically building a team and a community. Parang we really need to learn how to tell people what we do and how good we are at what we're doing. Na parang we should be the testament of Super Genius.
Mhm.
Na parang since we
So
have
true.
been trained for Super Genius, ito yung nagawa ko and this is how I develop. Parang ganun. The before and after kasi is always very powerful. So, since andyan naman na yung team mo, and karamihan naman ng mo, Chris, are ready to, I think they're really ready to share what they can and what they have
Mm-mm.
developed after the Super Genius. And that's one thing
Mhm.
that we can build up on. Para hindi,
Mm.
ang challenge kasi is if we're building a community, yes, itong start ikaw siya, ikaw talaga yung magpe-present. But for the other things, if other people or other team members can take charge na. Halimbawa, Rin can host before, parang she have, parang, di ba, remember sa MMI, merong assistant trainer in training? So, Rin
Mm.
can be that, na siya na yung magpo-prompt, so parang magbe-build ng energy and everything else, or if need be, pwede ka naman siyang gawin, pero as much as possible, I'd like to really focus on the event on the day. So, we can have Rin host it, and then, kung sino yung gagawa naman ng ng design ng workbook natin, that person can be the one who is managing the stage, yung next presentation mo, kasi siya yung may alam kung alin doon. So, things
Mm-mm.
like that, na parang, yes, we're starting, yes, it's a new thing, pero let's all make it worthwhile for everyone else. Pwedeng hindi siya financially, but the experience and the portfolio building that we can do with this is something that we can build up on. And for this sponsorship, lahat, for us naman, siya, majority, it's the first time that we're doing it. Sa amin,
Mm.
sabi ko nga, sa amin kasi iba yung ginagawa namin kasi we're business. So, my ideas are more on the business to business as compared to business to channel. Kasi yun yung
Mhm.
path na ginagawa ko and mas comfortable ako doon. And the thing is, if it's business to business kasi, you don't need to give a lot of reason. You just need to present all the details. Di mo siya kailangang pabonggahin. You just need to state kung ano yung merong numbers.
Mhm.
Kasi yes, it's unique and it's really something na I'm not sure kung marami na may alam or hindi pa. I cannot be someone to do that. Pero kasi if I'm a sponsor, I would like to know ano yung ROI ko for that. So,
Mm.
yung ROI ko for magazine, may printed ako. So, automatically, I have 200 people who pays, who have the capability to buy. Because
Mhm.
they're paying naman dun sa trainings majority of the time. Plus, if they're attending trainings, that means that may sila, it's something that's important for them or it's something that they value. So, hindi sila averse in spending. So, that's a good thing. Kumbaga, ako, nasa filtered market na ako, then even if it's, sabihin natin magkaroon lang siya ng 10%, kung 300, that's 30 clients na wala akong masyadong ginawa, I'm good with that. In majority of the time, some of these clients really are not, for sure, meron silang social media na and everything. It may not be something that we can give them. But yun nga yung sinabi ni Chris. butts on seats. These are people, these are real people that I can talk to. Na parang if they get interested, it's easier for them to close. And if you're attending a training, majority of the time, you're open to getting something else. Hindi lang yung learning dyan. Majority of the time, you're aware na mayroong ibang i-offer. So, that has been consistent. Kahit ano pang training na na-attendan ko, there's something that it's being sold. Kasi majority of the time, kaya ka naman nagte-training is because you're offering something else. So, for sure, majority of those people attending would have that in mind na. And yun lang yung point ko na parang we don't need to complicate things. The simpler the better kasi we're talking to business people. Ayaw nila na maraming clutter. Sabihin mo sa akin kung ano yung meron ka and ano yung what's in it for me. Yun lang yung kailangan nating masagot. What's in it for me? It can
Yeah.
either be a problem that we're solving for them or an opportunity that they can hang into. Yung medyo more personal, that's for the people that we're selling the tickets to. But for sponsors, hindi siya kailangan komplikado. Kailangan lang clear tayo kung ano yung makukuha nila, kung ano yung what's in it for me nila. As long as masagot natin yun, then that's good. And it's always a yes, ano, or later. So we don't need to basically be too concerned kung wala tayong makuha. Kasi technically, masasagot naman nung number of attendees natin yung cost natin. Kailangan lang natin ng pera on hand para one, makapag-deposit tayo sa venue kung saan man natin yung kukunin, kung saan man yung venue natin. And pangalawa, yun, makapag-deposit for the workbook na kailangan natin gawin. And sure na may pera tayong hindi maglalabas ng pera sa bulsa si Chris kasi she's basically doing it na nga. So that's what the sponsorship is for. Hindi natin masyadong kailangang i-push yung deal kasi meron at merong oo at merong hindi. So yung
Yeah.
mga oo, those people are aligned sa atin. Ayun.
True.
Ako kasi ano yan lagi eh. It's the people that aligns to you are really aligned to you na parang if you needed them, they'll be there to say yes, parang ganyan. So, ayun. Hindi ako masyadong kinakabahan. Parang ako makaklose tayo ng isang 200 at isang 60, okay na ako kasi technically yung gastos natin for the deposit and everything can be covered by that na. Kung mas marami tayong makaklose, well and good. At least hindi natin po problemahin yung panggastos natin moving forward for everything else na kung ano man yung makukuha natin, wala masyadong pressure sa atin. Pero yun. Simpler the better. Siguro, kami nung nag-present kami ng investor offering, six slides lang yung inano namin. Pinakilala lang namin yung mission, vision, ano yung pinaka-goal namin, ano yung current standing namin, plus ano yung ROI for them. So, yun. I think yung sponsorship natin can do that na parang, ano si Super Genius, ano yung offer natin, magkano siya, at then makukuha nila. Then if they say yes, go. If they say no, go. And this is something that we can send it to them na lang. Hindi siya kailangang kausapin natin sila personally. Kasi most people really would have, parang hindi naman lahat of open to talk to pa if you're just looking for sponsorship. And if we have the parang a slide like that, na yun na yung pinaka-offer natin, we can invite them na, okay, so we have this sponsorship, ito yung meeting time natin, we can just schedule that time to talk to them, to present it to them. So pag nag-yes sila, good. Pag nag-no sila, good. Thank you for if you'd like to attend, we have a special offer. Parang, it's not really a loss kasi sometimes hindi man sila yung may kailangan, they probably would know 1 to 2 people who they would parang, sino yung naisip nyo may kailangan ito or sino yung naisip nyo align dito. Please refer them to us. So yun.
Yep.
Yan, yun yung ko, that's how I'm looking at it. Hindi ako masyadong sa details for sponsorship kasi ang kailangan lang naman natin if we're tiering, we just need to be clear kung ano yung ibibigay natin sa kanila.
Yeah.
And kung sa tingin natin, ROI na sila dun sa 200K na yun, that's all good. We can start doing it na. Para we can have the funds available na rin.
Okay. So doon na lang ako nag-aano. Sige. I think gagawa na lang kami ni RJ ng ano, ng rough draft dito. Tapos pakita namin sa'yo kung ano yung ano mo, ano yung gusto mong baguhin or okay na ba to go.
Paano natin sa chieftains? Kasi baka mamaya meron silang ibang idea. So, pag meron na
Yeah.
kayo nagawa, let's
Ay,
have the
oo.
chieftains review para ano,
Sige.
para if we can get the idea. O mamaya sa merong chieftains na gusto mag-sponsor. So, di ba?
Pwede. Sige. I think I think okay na yun. Kasi before nitong meeting, ang gulo-gulo ng utak ko eh. Parang ang complicated sa utak ko. Sige, so basically, susundin na lang natin yung ano mo, yung sinabi mo. Mission, vision, yung goal, current standing, tapos ano yung ROI nila. Yun naman pala eh. Humaba yung meeting, kailangan lang pala yun. Yun. Sige,
Yun
that's
naman.
good.
Valid naman
Um,
lahat ng questions. Ang ano lang is, kung paano natin siya i-apply. Sa akin kasi, yun yung pinakasimple.
Mm-mm.
Doon ako sa mas simple. Ayoko na masyadong
Mm-mm.
komplikado mga bagay. Kasi, the more we put attachment to it, the more we are emotional. And when we're emotional in putting two things, medyo matagal siyang gawin. Pero kung
Yeah.
basic lang, standard lang and all, mas madali siya. Tsaka mas less yung pag na-reject, okay. Okay
Mhm.
lang. Pag mas masyado tayong maraming binigay, mas na-reject ka, masama sa loob. So, mas simplihan na lang natin.
True.
Para ano, wala masyadong emotional attachment.
Yes. Okay, I think okay ako dito. So, gagawa na lang namin to ni RJ ng ano. Si RJ, dinamay talaga si RJ. Gagawa na lang namin ni RJ.
Si RJ talaga yung gagawa.
Hindi, gagawa ako ng rough draft tapos pagtutulungan namin ni RJ kung ano pa magandang itsura nito. Tapos, yeah, we'll have the chieftains. Actually, magtatang naman din ako sa chieftains kung kasi dito sa ano sa extra na benefits or ROI na ibibigay natin sa especially sa 200K at saka 120K. Naisip ko sa 120K is consultation eh. Like so, actually any of the chieftains can be a consultant, 'di ba? So, di pa pipiliin natin yung ano, yung sponsor. Anong
Yung kung ano
consultation
yung
yung
kailangan
kailangan nyo?
nila.
Oo. These are the available consultations for you. Oh. Tapos sa training. Ito yung mga available na training. Depende sa chieftain kung ano, kung gusto niya mag-train or what. So, that's really a good idea. I love it. Kasi totoo naman na, ano, ba't iniisip ko na ako lang yung kailangan magbigay? Na pwede naman palang ipa-step up ko kayo para meron kayong authority na ma-build sa ano, sa sponsor mismo, sa event mismo. Yeah, it's a good opportunity for all of us. I love it. Okay kayo dun? Jalen, RJ.
Ano coach, di ko alam kung
Yun.
paano ipapasok, pero kasi naisip ko, since part ako ng VBI, di ko alam kung paano papasok yung sponsorship na yon as ano na magbibigay ng free business audit
Consultation.
consultation.
Oo, sa consultation yan. Sige.
Okay.
So, bali ang gagawin ko
Ano
na lang,
siya,
tatanungin ko lahat ng, no,
pwede siyang ano, business development or papasok siya ng ano, learning.
Mm.
Kung baga, learning for, depende kasi kung anong i-audit mo. I-audit mo ba yung process nila? Or
Oo,
ang i-audit mo ba
business.
is how they do? Ayun. So, kung business process audit, papasok pa rin siya ng consultation.
Mm.
So, parang ano, under consultation, do you need a business process audit ba? Do you need leadership training ba? Ano ba yung kailangan nila? So, yun, we can have the chieftain list kung ano yung pwede nilang i-offer.
Yes, that's a good idea. Oh my gosh, I love it. Nakaka-excite, I think. Love. Okay. Masaya na ako dun. I think that's a good ano. Buti na lang nag-brainstorming tayo. Sobra. Ay, ano yun, RJ? May sasabihin ka?
Hindi, okay, okay din madam kasi hindi ko siya naisip. Ang galing nung sinabi ni Leslie. Kasi
Mm.
each of us meron ng, I mean, we're doing webinars sa ibang community, we're doing one-on-one call. So parang ito, di ba, on a new level na, sige, parang baka si Rin gusto dito for her systems. O ganito nyo isi-systematize yung nyo using
Mm-mm.
GH or what. So parang ganda. Ang ganda nung
Mm-mm.
nung atake. Mm-mm.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, pwede yun.
lalo niyang masosolidify na, yes, we are the genius generation. Kasi you can just choose who among us you need at the
True.
moment.
Sobrang
Mm-mm.
powerful, no? Na parang kung ano yung kailangan nyo, we have people available because we discovered our geniuses.
Mm-mm. Sige, baka, tatanungin ko din si Kathleen Sone. Kasi, actually, si Kathleen at saka si RJ yung host natin sa event.
Yung ngiti ni
Ah,
Madam, umabot ng tenga. Ang ganda talaga ng idea ni Leslie.
di ba? Tatanungin ko si Kat kasi baka gusto niyang isali yung yung voice over whatever or on-screen acting niya. O, di ba? Pwede yun. Para magamit na yun. Pwede. I love it. Nakaka-excite. Ayun, nabuhay ulit ako kahit inaantok na ako. Salamat. Sobrang, 'di ba, ang taba ng utak ni Leslie. Sabi ko na kailangan ng upuan 'to eh. Ayun, sige,
Ay,
iano ko. Ano 'yun? Ay,
ano po,
Jalen?
may update ako kay Ate Leslie.
Go.
Nag-message ako sa ate, sa SMX convention. Kaso hindi sila
Mm-mm.
available hindi sila available ng 28 to 29 kasi may ongoing daw na parang may annual event daw na ginaganap doon. Ang available lang doon
Kaya
is
lang, anong SMX yan? Kasi di ba meron sa
sa
Aura, meron sa
Orap.
Mega Mall sa Aura. So, okay lang.
Opo.
Tingnan ko sa titingnan ko yung sa Mega Mall tsaka yung sa
Hindi
sa
ba
MOA.
available ay ano, ang iniisip ko actually, 'di ba sabi mo Leslie, gusto mo na doon tayo sa Space One Ayala.
Oo,
Ah,
Space at One
oh.
Ayala.
Kumusta 'yun? Available ba sila? Hindi, magkano?
Ay, hindi kasi di ba yung natin, hindi, kakabalik lang nila sa office, i-check ko ulit dun sa sa
Oo,
contact.
okay. Yeah. Kasi kung kaya naman ng budget natin doon, bakit naman hindi? 'Di ba? Ayun. Ayun. Anything else? Wala na, okay na. Ikaw, Leslie, okay ka na?
Wala na, okay na ako.
Ayun. Salamat. Na gumaan na yung yung utak ko. So, ayan. Thank you so much. 9:00 na, pasensya na natagal na tayo ng konti, pero at least na-solve yung problem natin. It's a very genius solution, honestly. Ayun. Diba? Thank you. I'll see you again. Salamat,
Picture
guys.
tayo, coach.
Ay, sige, go.
Wait lang. Ay, hindi ba to coach kasama dun sa dino-document
Sa,
or tina-track? Yung sa meeting.
sige, i-track
Yung
na
every
natin.
meeting.
1, 2, 3, smile. Ayan, perfect. Naku, yung itsura ko. May cold sore ako. Nasobrahan sa stress. Ayan. Okay. Yan, okay na. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you po.
Bye-bye.